guys, it's Cool Story Bro. In today's video, I'll be unboxing two products. As you can see, the HomePod-Mini and the Apple TV 4K. Of course, I'll do a comparison between the size of the big HomePod towards the mini HomePod. And of course, I'll do a comparison between the 4th generation to the Apple TV 4K. So let's get to the unboxing of these two awesome products. The first one I'm going to start off with is the HomePod-Mini, as you can see. I love the presentation on it. Top of the box, you can actually see the HomePod itself. And then on the side, we've got HomePod, and it's got like a purple and pink color mini. And then here is the product. Now, I haven't actually seen one of these in person. It took me quite a while to get this. I didn't actually get it on Apple. I actually got it on eBay, all out of stock on the Apple website. And I was not going to wait until next year because I wanted one this year. So that's the reason why I managed to get one. I would say they're quite expensive. Basically, retail, as Apple said it in the conference, they're gonna cost $99. So basically kind of nearly 100. And then on eBay, $250, which if you think about it in logic terms, you'll be able to get the big one for like that price. And here is the HomePod-Mini, which is a really nice shape, as you can see. Got a small screen on the top, which is really nice. And it kind of reminds me of the original, the 1st gen HomePod, but this one is a lot more mighty smaller, and it looks a beautiful shape. A lot of people say if you turn it like that, it does look like the Amazon, but I don't think it does. But it's really nice. It sits on any table where you're gonna put it, which is awesome. Let's see what else we got in the box. Of course, you will get the instruction manual of how to actually use this HomePod-Mini. If you don't know how to use it, it's pretty simple, but you know, if you're new to Apple products, it gives you some awesome photos of how to use it and what to do and everything like that, which is awesome. And of course, we get the adapter, which is, when I first seen this, I was like, okay, do I need a USB-C for this? Of course not. Just plug it in like so, which is nice. So if anything happens to this, you can actually replace it in the Apple Store on the 1st generation. If anything happens to it, like it breaks or anything like that, you have to buy probably a new model or try and get Apple to repair the adapter. But for this one, it's easy to plug in and plug out, which is awesome. If you are using your HomePod for the very first time, use the adapter that actually came in the box. As you can see right there, I am actually using my iPad adapter that came with my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. And as you can see, this orange indicator is telling me that it hasn't got enough power or it's too overpower. So if you do see this orange symbol, make sure you use the official adapter. So if you buy one used, make sure that they give you the official adapter. If not, you have to go out there and buy one because it won't work. It will just be going like this for a very long time. Let's do a comparison between them both. As you can see, this is the 1st gen HomePod and this is the 2nd gen, which is the HomePod-Mini, the latest one. Both of them look identical apart from the shape and size. And you can actually see on the top, they've got the similar screens, but on the 1st generation of the HomePod, it's got a bigger circle screen, and on the small one, it's got a smaller circle screen. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm actually going to, as you can see, connect it to my home application. So it's saying what room is it going to be in. So I'm actually in my living room right now. So I'm actually going to put my bedroom because that's where it's actually going to be. So it says personal request. I would say don't use because it's going to be like a bedroom kind of speaker. So for everyone, yeah, continue. Account settings, transfer settings, and it says center to the HomePod of the frame. So I guess there we go. Kind of reminds me of the Nintendo Wii U, the way that used to like kind of start up. So it's just setting up all my settings. It didn't take long and it's ready to go. So I press done. It says improve Siri dictations and enable on HomePod. So I press dismiss, yes. Okay, so it's ready to go. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to play a song, Don't Matter to Me, the solo version by Michael Jackson. And I'm actually going to play it with the HomePod Mini. So I tap on that, as you can see, double tap. And then it's going to play through. So I'm just actually going to turn it up to show you that the sound performance on the HomePod Mini. Here we go. Now I'm going to play the same song, but using the first generation HomePod. Now this is going to be a sound comparison between them both. So as you heard, the HomePod Mini, and this is the HomePod first generation. Now there's no sound boost or anything like that. This is how it would sound when you actually get one out the box, the first generation HomePod. So I just click on here, make sure it's actually connected with a tick, yes. So here it is, full blast.